Got a half Kearny and half penny. I'd say probably 85% of them come pea comb. We get about, I don't know, yeah, 20% will come straight comb. This being one of them. Come lemon hackle. Pretty nice one. I wish you guys could feel him. Got a hell of a body on him. Got a good back. Got a big old nice chest on him. Gonna make a nice one. Got a lot of leg. Half Kearny and half penny. Kearny on the top, penny on the bottom. And here's his brother. I actually caught two of these today. I just showed a video of him. He just been on tie cord, I don't know, 30 seconds. That's half Kearny and half penny. But we get about 20-25% of come straight comb. And I don't know if you can see that one right there. That's the brother film, the dark one. Boy, awful nice. Tail will be better when he molts out, but he's got everything else. Half Kearny and half penny. I don't know if you can see on this video, he's got one blue leg and then a leg that's half yellow. Well, you feeling skanky, ain't you? So give me 90 days. Give me 90 days. Come on, man. Come on.